Oh, what the? What the hell? God damn.
What?
There's a big hole right here.
Back in this thing, got some new stuff, man. Hey, y'all remember when I went to Pigeon Forge? I don't know if y'all watched the community page, but Bray lost the GoPro 7. So that's why I ain't been doing some of that split footage that I tried to start doing, you know, multiple angles and stuff. He lost it, so I had to upgrade. Took me a little while, but I knew something new was coming out. So I was waiting. Damn, take a look at that. Take a look at that, GoPro 9. Come with a little SD card. The sucker's huge, man. It's got a screen now. When you turn the screen around like this, right now I can't tell what's in the frame. Sometimes it's in the frame, sometimes not in the frame. But now I'll be able to tell what's in the frame on the LCD monitor right there. So that's pretty slick. I'd love to have another one of these. This one was on the Hero 7 when we lost it. This is a little floaty. When you go in water, it'll, you know, won't lose your Got a little magnetic clip, 2 batteries. So I'm happy with that, man. We probably gonna get some footage with that today. Stop by CJ's again. We got these things cleaned up. Usually they be tucked up beside the building and I can't get all that good footage I be trying to get. Got them washed up today. Yes, sir. Back out here at the, are you a master mechanic yet? I think you're a master mechanic right now. Nah. You don't think so? I'm a lunatic. We out here at my buddy Justin's house, loading this up. Let's see how it looks. I guess I could have loaded on the trailer first. What you think, man? So what kind of drop did it end up being? What kind of parts did he have?
We had leaf spring hangers for the back. I believe it's around 4 inches, maybe 4.5, 5 at the most. Front is it's all Beltec. Beltec, I think 2-inch drop springs and 3-inch spindles on the front. I could be backwards on that. It could be 3-inch springs and 2-inch spindles. No notch needed for the back. Bump stops are still in there.
It looks a hell of a lot different, don't it?
It's got a whole nother attitude for sure.
Yeah, we'll get it up there, get it out in the sunlight, see. Then when we get it off at his house, we'll let him see. He came and seen it already, didn't he?
Yeah,
I was trying to see if I can surprise him with it, but
know,
I guess he had to give you the money, huh?
Yeah.
He could have gave it to me.
I mean, yeah, I never sent him a picture of it. I just sent him a sneak peek before I dropped the back down.
Yeah, that looks good, man. That's a good kit. Good quality kit, right?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, bro. Let's get it loaded. Got it on there. Boy, Dave, you looking good, Dave. Hell of a move, man. That was a good idea. Yeah, you did that, man. You got that thing looking good.
Right.
Look at that lip. All right, that's it, man. We're gonna get it strapped down and take this thing about an hour. It's about an hour and 10 minutes. Take it back up the road. Yeah, better than what had in it though. Leaps and bounds better.
Yeah. That'll get Brian too when you turn on the net.
Yes, sir, boy. Yes, sir. You be doing it, boy. I gotta applaud you for that now. Well, I'm gonna get out of here, man. Good to see you again.
Yeah, man.
I'll catch up with you later on.
All right, brother.
What the hell? God damn. There's a big hole right here.
You knocked the mailbox over?
It was already knocked over.
Getting some diesel, but damn, that thing look good in the sun. Well, little Dave, you got you something there. Whew. About to roll up on him. Shit, we're only like 15 minutes away, so catch y'all a little bit when we pull up. What, little Dave say he got it ready for me today?
You couldn't see it good
I couldn't see it
so
at all.
I'll wash it up a little bit so you can see what it look like.
I know why you're doing it so big, because you're a Jones, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Joneses have to do it big.
Yes, sir, boy.
But you gotta take your time, though.
Yes, sir.
Don't rush it.
Man, that look good there, man.
Look at the inside.
How long you had this one?
2010.
I'm gonna let him see the whole thing. Boy, little Dave, boy.
2010.
What year is this?
It's a 72. Oh. You boy just pulled up. KJ just pulled up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I had to put it in the sun and get a little McGuire's car wash on.
I hear that. Ooh, got the console. Ooh.
Get a shot of the headliner.
Yes, sir. What's this color? What you call this color?
It's sandal. So I went back and read them on the inside. I had the Israel in
Yeah.
He reupholstered.
He do some good work, man.
Man, I got him before he got super expensive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, once he got in that Lowrider magazine, it's a wrap.
Got it in there, Dave. It was a little workout, but we got it in there.
Not yet. I got a.
If she ran, well, we wouldn't have did all that.
No, yeah.
We would've
It
just-
would have been harder to do it if
There's a little gremlin we gotta get figured out.
All right, another one in the books, man. We got that one. We got her back home, and that's the main thing.
Right.
Got her back home.
Shout out to Dustin.
Yep.
Did a hell of a job on this thing, man.
Yep.
Truck looks so good now.
Pop it open and see what we got in there.
Open up the jerk box.
Oh yeah, it was dark last time we looked at it.
Holly,
That's sick right there.
Got the Holly valve covers on it.
Yeah, and I'm sick.
The Chevy orange.
I like it. You got you something there for sure, both of them. All right, that's it, man. We finna get out of here. We finna go back to the gym and Nick's. Hey, it was good. I gotta have that again. So.
I put Mucho on that about 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, that Jim Nick's nice.
We'll get out of here, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, man.
This blacked out Mack is so clean. Black Bulldog. Black grill. Black wheels. Holy cow. Bed liner steps. Diamond plate seats. Wall mount. TV. Bed liner back here. Damn. It's pretty sick there.